So today we are going to learn about loops in C. Introduction. A loop is used for executing a block of statement repeatedly until a particular condition is satisfied. For example, when we are displaying a number from 1 to 100, we can set the value only to one variable and display it 100 times, increasing its value by 1 on each loop iteration. So we will be having for loop, while loop, and do while loop. For loop, it is very useful for the beginners and easy. The syntax is like for initial open parenthesis, initialization, semicolon condition, and semicolon updation. The close parenthesis. And here the executable statements. And loop is used when the number of iterations is known. For example, this is the preprocessor unit section, and this is the main section for integer I is equal to 1. Here this is the condition, this is the initialization, this is the condition, and this is the updation. And printf percentile d, comma I, and return 0. The output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as we have used here I less than or equal to 5 condition. And while loop. So the while loop is used when the number of iteration is not and the condition is checked before each iteration. Syntax while. Before this, we'll be having initialization and next while condition and the true block of executable statements. And the updation also comes here. For example, here preprocessor section and main section. Integer I is equal to 1, initializing, and while this is the condition, and here we will be given true block of executable statements and the updation. Percentile, comma I, and I place files also should be given before this parenthesis and next semicolon and return 0. And the output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And coming to the do while loop, the do while loop executes the block at least once. The condition is checked after execution. Syntax will be having initialization and do and the executable statements and the while condition. For example, this is the preprocessor section and main section, initialization, do, and here giving condition, true block of statements, printf percentile d, I, and increment here. After this, open parenthesis and semicolon. And close, and next, while this is the condition, return 0. And the output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As the condition is I should be less or equal to 5. So let's compare them. The for loop when used when the number of iterations is known, and it is used when the number of iterations is not known, and do while is used execute at least once and condition check later. Thank you.